I pledge to my country, Oduduwa Republic, that flows for milk and honey, the endowed land of valiant skillfulness, order, and wisdom. I promise as a glorious child of black race, the rising sun across the universe, to exalt the land of Oduduwa. I vow to unite for progress of Yoruba nation. I testify that I will not betray nor plot against the unity or forwardness of my country. I will use all my strength, soul, works, wisdom, and deeds to serve my country in faith and honesty in my entire life. All the labor of our past heroes and heroines shall never be in vain through me and my coming generations. I vow that neither religion nor politics shall separate us in Oduduwa land. Perhaps it warrants I shall use the last pint of my blood for defense and liberation of my nation. Oduduwa land, Yoruba generation, one language, one culture, and one deeds by God's power.